mostly females packed in containers due to be shipped. They were found unconscious and have been given medical attention. No arrests have been made yet. We will bring you more of the news as it unfolds.
Now, you know what? We'll do the two, and I'll go back. And I heard the pop sound.
Breathe in, breathe out. Relax.
Ready? Not too close. Move back a bit.
Okay. Okay.
Hey! Bros. Why are you supposed to sit there? You're supposed to be here. Yes.
Fine like this.
Okay, now.
Yes.
We're rolling.
Are you seeing it?
Yes, I can.
Are you seeing it?
Yes.
Too far?
Like this. Yes.
You good?
I think so.
Rolling!
Breaking news. The joint task force today stormed a warehouse on a tip-off from anonymous source. They uncovered children, mostly females, packed in containers due to be shipped. They were found unconscious and have been given medical attention. No arrests have been made. We will bring you more of the news as it unfolds.
Take two. Soften the volumes.
Oh, okay.
She jumped it.
Yet, you just get that shit on.
Still rolling and action.
Breaking news. The joint task force today stormed a warehouse on a tip-off from anonymous source. They uncovered children, mostly females, packed in containers due to be shipped. They were found unconscious and have been given medical attention. No arrests have been made yet. We will bring you more of the news as it unfolds.
Cut. Thank you.
Thank you.